Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with your PS5. You'll be pleased to know that Apple Pay is now directly supported on the PlayStation 5 console, offering a seamless and secure way to make purchases. This means you can buy games, add-ons, and subscriptions without needing to use gift cards or other indirect methods. The process involves a quick QR code scan, making your transactions both convenient and highly secure, leveraging your existing Apple Pay setup. To start, simply turn on your PlayStation 5 and head over to the PlayStation Store. Once there, you can browse through the vast selection of games, downloadable content, or subscription services available. When you find something you'd like to buy, add it to your cart. Then, proceed to the checkout screen, where you'll prepare to select your payment method for the transaction, ensuring everything is ready for your purchase. Once you reach the checkout screen on your PlayStation 5, you'll see various payment options. Select Apple Pay from this list. Immediately after your selection, a unique QR code will be displayed on your television screen. This code is your bridge to completing the purchase. Take out your iPhone or iPad and simply open its camera application to scan this QR code, initiating the next step of your secure transaction. After successfully scanning the QR code, your Apple device will automatically bring up the familiar Apple Pay payment sheet. Here, you'll confirm the purchase using your preferred biometric authentication, such as Face ID or Touch ID, or by entering your device passcode. Once confirmed, the transaction will be completed almost instantly. Your new game, add-on, or subscription will then be ready for download and enjoyment on your PlayStation 5 console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.